Or, okay, so the loyalty rewards program, do I have to order monthly? Or oh, if I do, here's the benefits I get. Oh, I get free oils back, and here's da da da. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and welcome to part 3 of the doTERRA Enrollment Kits little overview that I'm doing. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, make sure to check those out. I'll have the links in the description below for those. But otherwise, today we're going to talk about one of the kits that I wish I would have started with, which is the Natural Solutions Kit, which you can see pictured right here. Boom! Okay, and so that kit is amazing. I call it the bathroom or health, or even for some people, the kitchen makeover kit. And it's because it comes with everything that you need to make over some stuff in your house. I mean, you got stuff to clean your hands, you have stuff to, for brushing your teeth, there's the toothpaste, there's a number of different oils, it comes in a nice, wooden box, there's supplements with the Lifelong Vitality Pack. What's really great about this kit also is that it waives the $35 membership fee, or the membership fee based on where you're at, and because some, doTERRA does ship internationally as well. And then you also get 100 product credits with this kit, which is crucial, which you can also use those credits to basically get free oils in the future. There are some details associated with that as well, which I'll have in the description below. But also what I offer with any kit purchase is a wellness consult, which is basically a conversation over the phone, Skype, or in person, where we go over how to maximize your membership and how to use the oils that you just got. Because the last thing I want is for the oils to collect dust, become paperweights, or stay in the box that they were shipped in. And that does happen for some people, unfortunately, and it breaks my heart because these oils are like liquid gold, right? They help with so many things, and they've changed my life in so many different ways. They are actually a replacement cost, not an additional cost, and they've raised my quality of life. And that's why I'm so passionate about naturally sharing with folks. And I say naturally because somebody will say that they're going through something, and I'll be like, hey, have you tried oils? And they'll be like, no, what is that? Or maybe, yes, I have, or or I was thinking about it. And then it just starts a conversation. And for me, I can tell them about my wellness journey and how they've helped transform my life with regards to saving money and improving my quality of life. And for that, I love that, and I love the fact that there's a community and there's a personalized support system as well as education. And that's really what I try to provide to my clients, to make sure they feel that they're valued as well as taken care for, and not just ignored or like a transaction, because that's the last thing I want. I want people to feel like they're cared for, and whether it's through the videos, whether it's through the wellness consults, or additional support when people have a question, my clients text me or things like that, or may email me. That's awesome as well. And so, but yeah, the Natural Solutions Kit, just to kind of summarize, is the bathroom, health, and or kitchen makeover kit. It's the kit that I would have started with, simply because you get so many awesome oils. I ended up getting all the stuff in the kit, but at separate times, which increased the shipping cost, plus I didn't get the 100 product credits. So that for me was a big loss, because I got the Family Essentials kit, which is a gain, right? But I didn't get all the other stuff that comes with the Natural Solutions kit, plus, and so I could have basically gotten more value for the same price over time, but more upfront with the Natural Solutions kit, if that makes sense. So basically, it's the one I should have started with. And then when people have families, it's like, yeah, this kit is basically a no-brainer, because it's going to replace so much stuff in your house if you exercise a small degree of intentionality, as well as take advantage of the wellness consult that I offer. Because when you do that, then you're like, oh, so here's the benefits and uses of the oils, and here's, oh, I don't have to sell the oils, but if I want to earn some oils for free, I can. Or, okay, so the loyalty rewards program, do I have to order monthly? Or oh, if I do, here's the benefits I get. Oh, I get free oils back, and here's da da da. So you learn all those little things, so you don't have to memorize them now. I do have other videos on my channel that talk about that as well, but it's nice to kind of have somebody that you can talk to and bounce questions off of, kind of real time. And that's the value that I offer to my clients, because I know, watching a video is one thing, but getting that interaction real time is a lot more valuable, I think, because you're actually talking to a real person, right? You're kind of like in absorb or like listen or watch mode right now, which is different. Some people do probably talk to me on video when they watch some of my other ones. Maybe they're just like, hey, that was a great idea, or what the heck, you know, or something like that. Maybe, I'm assuming. I don't get to see that part, but I see it in the comment section. But it's cool. Love you all regardless. And hopefully this video has provided some value to you. Hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links below so you can either get your learn on, or you can take next steps to basically take over your health, have natural solutions within arm's reach, and I'll have all the links in the description below so you can check those out. And we'll see you in the next video.